Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Everything around us, from the air we breathe to the most solid objects, is made of matter. In this video, we will explore in depth what matter is, its properties, its structure, and how it manifests itself in different states.
Matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. These atoms, in turn, are made up of even smaller particles, protons, neutrons, and electrons. Everything in the universe is made up of different combinations of these atoms.
Each atom is like a tiny building block of matter. These atoms combine with each other to form molecules, which are the basis of everything we see and touch. For example, water is made of molecules, each of which has 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Depending on how the atoms combine, different types of matter are formed, such as liquids, solids, and gases. Matter can exist in different states or phases. The 3 most common states are solid. In this state, the particles are very close together and have a defined shape and volume. Objects we see every day, such as a stone or a piece of metal, are examples of solids. Liquid. Particles in liquids are farther apart and can move freely, allowing them to take the shape of the container they are held in. Water is the most common example of a liquid.
Gas. In this state, the particles are far apart and move rapidly in all directions. The air we breathe is made up of gases such as oxygen and nitrogen.
In addition to these 3 states, there are other less common states such as plasma, which is a highly energetic state where electrons are separated from atoms, and Bose-Einstein condensate, which occurs at extremely low temperatures. Matter has several properties that allow us to identify and distinguish it from other types of matter. These properties can be divided into physical properties and chemical properties. Physical properties. These are those that can be observed or measured without changing the identity of the substance. Some of these properties are color, state of aggregation, density, melting point, and boiling point. Chemical properties. These refer to how a substance interacts with other substances to form new substances. For example, a metal's ability to oxidize when exposed to oxygen is a chemical property. As we mentioned before, matter is made up of atoms, which in turn are composed of subatomic particles. Atoms have a complex structure consisting of 3 main types of particles. Protons. They have a positive charge and are found in the nucleus of the atom. Neutrons. They have no electrical charge and are also found in the nucleus. Electrons. They have a negative charge and orbit around the nucleus at different energy levels. The electron cloud surrounding the nucleus determines how atoms interact with each other to form molecules and compounds. The way electrons are distributed across different energy levels is key to understanding how chemical bonds are formed. The concept of matter has been studied for thousands of years. In ancient Greece, philosophers such as Democritus already proposed the existence of small indivisible particles that they called atoms, although this idea was not scientifically proven until many centuries later. For centuries, matter remained a mystery to mankind until scientists such as John Dalton and Dmitry Mendeleev began to make significant advances in its study. Dalton developed modern atomic theory, which laid the foundations for chemistry, while Mendeleev organized the known elements into the periodic table. Later, scientists such as Ernest Rutherford and Niels Bohr helped refine the atomic model, giving us a more accurate understanding of how matter is organized in its most basic form. The matter we see around us is only a small part of the total universe. Scientists have discovered that the universe is largely made up of dark matter and dark energy, invisible components that do not emit or interact with light the way normal matter does. Although we cannot see dark matter directly, its presence can be inferred through the gravitational effects it has on visible matter, such as stars and galaxies. This area of study remains one of the great mysteries of modern physics. Although it may seem like matter is just an abstract concept, it is actually present in every aspect of our daily lives. Every object we touch, every food we eat, and even the air we breathe is made of matter. Advances in the study of matter have enabled the development of new technologies, from more resistant materials to more advanced electronic devices. Understanding matter and its properties is key to continuing to advance in science and improving our quality of life. The study of matter is far from over. Scientists around the world continue to investigate new forms of matter, such as Bose-Einstein condensates and quantum materials, which have unique properties and could revolutionize technology. Furthermore, the discovery and understanding of dark matter could completely change our perception of the universe and give us new clues about the origins and future of the cosmos. Matter is one of the fundamental pillars of physics and chemistry. From the atoms that make up everything around us to the mysteries of dark matter, the study of matter helps us better understand the universe and our place in it. As science advances, we will continue to discover new aspects of matter and its properties, allowing us to develop new technologies and answer some of humanity's most fundamental questions. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and want to learn more about electricity and its applications, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any content. See you in the next video.